In front of me is ONEPLUS Open, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access sounds and vibration. Then tap on this switcher next to vibrate on ring to enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. And tap on the vibration intensity to adjust intensity of haptic feedback for incoming calls and alarms. And also messages and notifications by operating those two sliders. Then scroll down, click on ringtone, tap on vibration at the top and apply the best option for your incoming calls haptic feedback. No vibration, one of those patterns, or synchronization. Then go back, tap on haptics over here, and click on the switcher next to System Haptics to enable or disable haptic feedback for touches, swipes and more. You can even adjust intensity of them thanks to this slider. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!